Most people think a Ferrari or a Lamborghini is the ultimate symbol of wealth. But in the world of the 0.1%, those are just entry-level toys. We are entering a realm where a single vehicle costs more than a private jet or a mansion in Bel Air. A world where you don't just buy a car, you commission a unique masterpiece that takes years to build. Today, we are counting down the 10 most expensive cars on Earth as of 2026. We've updated our list with legendary classics that have broken every auction record in history and modern hypercars that look like they've been 3D printed in another galaxy. Welcome to Luxury Ranked. Let's see what $140 million actually looks like on four wheels. Starting our list at number 10 is a tribute to the legendary 90s, the Bugatti 110. Built to celebrate Bugatti's 110th anniversary, only 10 units of this beast exist in the entire world. It's a 1,600 horsepower monster that pays homage to the iconic EB110 with its unique small horseshoe grille and narrow headlights. One of the few owners is the football legend Cristiano Ronaldo. For him, spending $9 million on a car is like buying a morning coffee. It hits 0 to 60 in just 2.4 seconds. But let's be honest, most of these will spend their lives in climate-controlled luxury garages, gaining millions in value every single year without ever touching the rain. Number 9 is a unique piece of automotive history, the Chiron Profile. Bugatti originally intended to make a small series of this model, but they decided to stop at just one. This makes it the rarest modern Bugatti in existence. In 2023, it was auctioned for a record-breaking $10.8 million, becoming the most expensive new car ever sold at an auction. It represents the final evolution of the legendary W16 engine before Bugatti moves into the hybrid era. It features a unique Argent Atlantique paint and a fixed sweeping tail at the rear. It's not just a hypercar, it's the closing chapter of a 20-year era of pure, unadulterated gasoline power. At number 8, we leave the racetrack and head to the harbor. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail was commissioned by a mysterious billionaire who wanted a car that looked like a racing yacht from the 1920s. It took 4 years of intense hand craftsmanship at the Goodwood factory to complete this vision. The centerpiece is a panoramic glass roof that tapers into a point at the rear, creating a silhouette unlike any other Rolls-Royce. Inside, the luxury is absurd. There's a hidden champagne chiller that deploys a bottle of vintage bubbly and 2 crystal flutes at the touch of a button. Total cost, $13 million of pure, bespoke British elegance for just one person. At number 7, we have a car that looks like it was designed for a Batman movie. The Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. Built to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary, this is one of the most aggressive and rarest raging bulls ever created. With a price tag that has soared to $11 million in the secondary market, it's a street-legal racing prototype. Only 9 units were ever produced, featuring a 750 horsepower V12 that screams to a top speed of 221 miles per hour. Its body is a masterpiece of carbon fiber, designed for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. It doesn't have a roof, so the lucky owners get a front row seat to the symphony of one of the greatest engines ever built. It's pure, raw, and unapologetically loud. Horacio Pagani is an artist first and an engineer second, and the HP Barchetta is his ultimate masterpiece. With a price tag of $17.6 million, only 3 were ever made. One of them sits in Horatio's personal collection as his dream car. It has no roof and a radically cropped windshield, giving it a raw, aggressive look that belongs on a poster. It's powered by a naturally aspirated V12 engine that screams like a 1990s Formula One car at high revs. Every detail, from the blue carbon fiber to the tartan interior, is finished to perfection. It's loud, it's expensive, and it is arguably the most beautiful and emotional Pagani ever to leave the Italian workshop. Number 5 is a ghost brought back to life. La Voiture Noire, the black car. It was built as a modern interpretation of the lost Type 57 SC Atlantic owned by John Bugatti, which disappeared during World War II. It features 6 exhaust pipes in a row and a seamless, single-piece LED light strip that looks like a neon signature across the back. At nearly $19 million, it's a dark, elegant statement of absolute power and mystery. The handcrafted carbon fiber body is so smooth, it looks like liquid. Rumor has it, the owner is a high-profile collector who prefers to remain anonymous, keeping this nearly $20 million secret tucked away from the public eye. At number 4, we have a brutal masterpiece that looks like it belongs to a high-end villain, the Aston Martin Victor. This is a one-of-one, meaning only one exists in the entire world. While its original development cost was a secret, experts value this unique beast at approximately $25 million. It was built using a spare chassis from the legendary 177, but with a completely custom carbon fiber body inspired by the muscle cars of the 70s. It features a massive 7.3-liter V12 engine and, surprisingly, a 6-speed manual transmission, making it the most powerful manual Aston Martin ever made. With its dark green paint and side exit exhausts, it's a raw, aggressive statement of what happens when luxury meets pure, unadulterated power. At number 3, we have a scarlet beast that defined an entire era of racing. The 1957 Ferrari 335S Spider Scaglietti, sold at auction for a staggering $36 million, this is one of the most powerful and beautiful Ferraris ever to exist. Under its long, muscular hood lies a 4.1-liter V12 engine that was capable of reaching 186 miles per hour back in 1957, a terrifying speed for the time. This specific car was driven by legends like Sterling Moss and Mike Hawthorne in races like the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Its curvaceous, low-slung body is the pinnacle of Italian design, making it a favorite for billionaire collectors who want a piece of history that still roars like a monster today. Watching it move is like seeing a high-speed sculpture come to life. Now, we step into the world of the Holy Grail, the Ferrari 250 GTO. While its original price in 1962 was just $18,000, today it is the ultimate blue-chip investment for billionaires. One of these recently sold in a private transaction for over $70 million. Only 36 were ever made, and to own one, you don't just need a massive bank account. You often need the approval of the existing GTO club. It is the most coveted Ferrari in history, a racing icon with a V12 heart that has become more valuable than its own weight in solid gold. It's the car every collector dreams of, but only a handful of humans will ever have the privilege to drive. And finally, the most expensive car ever sold in human history, the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe. This is the spiritual ancestor of the modern SLS AMG, but with a price tag that will blow your mind. $142 million. Sold at a secret, invitation-only auction at the Mercedes-Benz Museum, this car is one of only 2 prototypes ever built. It was the fastest car of its day, capable of 180 miles per hour back in 1955. At $142 million, you could buy a fleet of 500 Ferraris and still have money left over. It is, quite literally, the Mona Lisa of the automotive world. A piece of history that is so valuable it can only be described as priceless. From 9 million to 142 million, we've seen the absolute peak of what humanity can build when money is no object. Which one would you choose if you had a blank check? A modern Bugatti or the legendary Mercedes-Benz? Let us know your dream car in the comments below. If you want to see more deep dives into the world of the elite and the toys of the ultra-rich, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Luxury Ranked. We have many more stories from the top of the pyramid coming your way. Stay wealthy, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check our previous videos on billionaire jets and mansions. Goodbye.